Please welcome the National Academy of Sports. Together with the Lumad Basakanon, Artistic Directors and Choreographers Dennis A. Navarro and Honorable Norman A. Navarro. The National Academy of Sports is headed by their head of delegation, Executive Director, Professor Josephine Joy B. Reyes. Number of athletes, 47. Number of coaches, 11. Number of chaperones, 2. Number of officials, 16. Number of committee members, 33.